So, sea, water, one tick. Okay? But of course, you also find water in ditches, don't you, mate?
We do find water in ditches, Muddy.
I was going to filter this full of interesting facts about water, but when I read them back, I thought, God, this sounds like a third form school project. Yeah. So we're not going to bother, we're just going to make the link, do the tick, and on we go. So we'll do a song by Richard Thompson now, which is called The Ditching Wall.
Oh, what do I do with my capo? I don't know.
Oh, he's lost his capo, has he? This is off one of our albums. Elsie Marley.
Oh, you've got the decent capos. You've got the ones that don't.
Flash Lad, did you You'll find this on our album Flash Lad if you would like to get a copy.
Hang on a minute.
Easy, son. John took a bit of a splinter of wood at the Battle of Trafalgar, and he's been limping this album. It's on Flash Lads, yes. Now we
had to resurrect him 5 times.
we like to think we got 3 voices in the band, but we've actually really only got 1, and here he is. That sounds good to me.
So Richard Thompson.
So one of the miserable jobs in the world, digging ditches.
Digging ditches.
Yeah.
He's touring, by the way, Mr. Thompson. So
Someone's going to start.
If you've got an instrument you want to join in, by the way, please do. They're mostly in D or G. The odd F.
Keep B flat.
Band.